Still on the Gbab train matter, Edo State government don talk say security people don rescue 2 more kidnapped victims, and this one don bring the total number of people wey dem don rescue to 9. Edo State Commissioner for Communication and Orientation, Honorable Chris Naekari, na him talk this one for the press briefing wey shele on Friday for Benin City. He con talk say the magistrate of the customary court wey dem kidnap don dey back with him family. Naekari talk say belle no sweet dem sake of the loss of DSP Adams Michael, one of the police officers wey kpai after the rescue mission, and con talk say the cause of him death na natural, no be bullet kill am. He talk say Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Commissioner of Police for Edo State, and other heads of security agencies don go visit the family. Honorable Naekari constantly talk say government dey do everything possible to fight kidnapping for the state and make Edo uncomfortable for kidnapper and other wuruwuru people sake of the correct security when dey the state. He constantly thank security agencies for their correct work to secure lives and properties, and con yarn tori people make them always verify news before them give am to the public. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na be your power. Not till I'm giving a politician on election day.